Hi everyone! For the oral evaluation, I choose the topic about communities and animals. I'm going to analyze the question how the community can get involved in the protection of urban animals. But first, I want to share a story with you. Recently, a wonderful thing happened to me, even though it didn't start so well. I was alone outside a hospital, waiting for my father, and I had no money or phone. My dad didn't arrive, and I couldn't contact anyone because it was too late. Honestly, I was afraid being alone in the night. I remember I was crying, and suddenly a dog appeared and sat next to me until I stopped crying. Um, I think it was 12 p.m. I don't really know because I didn't have a clock. But at that time, I decided to go home walking about 1 kilometer. But it was dangerous at that hour in night. Fortunately, the dog followed me and protected me all the way to my house. I know it could sound a little weird, but I think she's like an angel. Before this, I didn't care that much about dogs. Um, I think I was used to see them in all over town. Mm, because in Quito, there are a lot of homeless dogs. I am kind of ashamed for that, but now I want to do something for this important problem. According to the study of the San Francisco University, there are 130,000 stray dogs just in Quito and Guayaquil. Statistically, we can say there is a homeless dog for 22 people. It is a health public issue that leads to unhealthiness and abuses, not only for the dogs. Cats and dogs often suffer and die after getting hit by cars, being attacked by other animals, succumbing to extreme temperatures, starving, contracting contagious disease, and in other cases, sadly, they have to be euthanized for lack of a good home. These loyal animals deserve a home filled with love and food. I think there are many solutions that involve the community actions. The first thing is preferring adoption before buying a dog. Second, sterilize your pet. And finally, volunteer. We can also share information in our social networks. And what is most important is that we don't necessarily have to donate money because animal protection agencies are always looking for people that want to be part of this program. In conclusion, we all can make a real change if we get involved by sharing information and taking care of our pets to reduce the rate of urban animals in the streets. I want to finish the presentation with this quote from Tom Jones. Dogs have a way of finding the people who need them and feeling an emptiness we didn't even know we had. Thank you.